Hello and welcome to We Dared Chemistry. Today, we're diving into the fascinating topic of the brand new series on Spectral Series Paschen Series, Lecture 4. Paschen Series, NL equals 3. The series was first observed in 1908 by German physicist Friedrich Paschen. Thus the series is named after him. Paschen series is displayed when electron transition takes place from higher energy states, NH equals 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, to NL equals 3 energy state. All the wavelength of the Paschen series falls in the infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum. The shortest wavelength of the next series, i.e., the bracket series, overlaps with the Paschen series. From this series, all subsequent series overlap. Refer to the table below for various wavelengths associated with spectral lines. Energy level, N. Wavelength, lambda in nm in air. Infinity. 820.4, 8. 954.6, 7. 1005, 6. 1094, 5. 1282, 4. 1875. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to We Dared Chemistry for more educational content. See you in the next video.